What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and I damn near opened this up without filming. I damn near done did it. But then I popped it open and I'm like, oh, I gotta film this. So I did it. Here we go. Alright. This is from Sky Car Care, which I get my CarPro goodies from, and we're gonna check this out. So immediately, but these aren't that bad. CarPro is amazing. Microfiber madness. Look at this. This is some serious literature here. That's probably gonna end up costing me more money. So I had to make a nice little order. Nothing too crazy. I got another bottle of CarPro eraser, which oddly enough I just picked up a bottle of Gion Prep. So probably the same thing, but I'm a big fan of CarPro eraser. I got a big bottle of the I guess it's supposed to be H2O. Echo 2.0 or whatever. Don't know how to pronounce that. This is exciting. This is a perfume or cologne, however you want to say it, a car perfume. It's supposed to smell like CarPro eraser. So that's freaking spifftastical. Right here, if you're in the car world, you've heard this is a new product, CarPro Lift, pre-wash, ultra snow foam. You're not new to this channel probably, or if you are, you know I'm pretty big on snow foam stuff. Let's dig. Oh my goodness. Dig. What is this? Is there something else in here? Hold on. Yep, here we go. CarPro air fresheners. Can't smell them through it. What the hell happened to this one? Ew. Like a poo-poo peanut. Is that the only thing? This is... Hello? This is the only thing I can't stand about... Ew, there's a lot of poo-poo peanuts in here. Is that actually poo-poo? Ew. Oh my god. No! No. Get in there. I don't know what I ordered. Alright, so I got 2 air fresheners. I get that's what it is. There's a squash scented air freshener and a lime mint scented air freshener. Then I got the eraser car perfume. Okay, so that's what we ordered. So we can get rid of this box. I hate boxes. I only like boxes when I'm opening them up. We're not gonna obviously go over too much of this stuff. I've had this product in the past, but I haven't given it a fair shake, I feel. And you know, but let's push these out of the way. This is what I want to talk about here. I'm gonna have to open this. I'm gonna have to smell it right now. This is one of those things that, you know, if you're polishing at times and you've used the eraser scented thing, you'll know. CarPro eraser smells insanely good. Okay, this is kind of cool. So this is a vent clip. All right. I guess you can turn it any which way you need to. Okay. Thank you for purchasing SkyBlu. To activate it, please remove the wooden cap, take out the plastic seal cap, shake it to activate it, and store upright or hang from your mirror. Do not close extremely tight the wood cap when when using the metal clips. So this is really cool. We're gonna open this. I have a feeling I'm gonna get this again in the future. Apparently, from what I'm told, this is gonna last a pretty decent amount of time. I'm gonna get this out of here. This is the only thing that stinks when you have OCD and you bite your nails. God, that sounded cool. Whoa. That's serious. Wow. That smells good. It's like a clean stench. Alright, so I guess this is how we're gonna attach that. And then we close this as this gets closed on here. And then I guess once it's tightened, Well, I'm not hanging it, so we can discard this right now. That's as tight as it needs to be. Oh, this is gonna be pretty cool. I'm probably gonna get a couple of these, honestly. I just gotta figure out where in God's green earth. My car always smells awesome anyway. But I would probably throw it over here. I don't want to mount it here or over there. Obviously over there is really annoying. But I think over here is gonna be the best bet. Alright, so it says shake it. You see how it's wet and now it's, look, the dry part of the wood is soaking in. Do you see that happening right in front of your face? Put your fingers on these holes. like take this thing and just pinch it. My hands are covered in this stuff right now, but it smells good. All right, let me wipe off the excess here. I guess that's how we're gonna mount that. It's pretty cool. I am extremely excited about that, and I think the wood soaks it up. So I guess maybe as the scent dissipates a little bit, you just put your fingers on those holes. Don't do what I did and just shake it willy-nilly. You're gonna be probably wasting a good amount of. I did waste some of it. Damn it. Smells clean. I can't explain. If you've smelt CarPro eraser before, it's like a clean smell. It's a good smell. It's not a bad smell. Obviously, if it was a bad smell, I wouldn't have it in my car. My Jeep, my vehicle, my vehicle. So that's it. That's what that's gonna look like. I think that's cool. It fits in over there nicely next to what's about to be there. Very cool. Very, very cool. So yeah, that's that works out. I'm obviously gonna save the strap just in case I decide to mount that from somewhere, and I'll give these a whiff eventually. I don't want to open them up right now because then that's probably a ticking time bomb. That's eventually, like all air fresheners, the scent dissipates. But yeah, that's the unboxing. We got some more eraser scented perfume. We've got Echo 2 or ECH20. That's good. So that's a waterless wash quick detail for exterior surfaces, high gloss, which is cool. And then we got lift. So we've got lots of products that we're going to continue to stock up on to test in future videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is what we got. Very exciting. That's it, guys. As always, I hope everybody's doing well. Please stay happy, stay humble, and I'll see you guys on the next one.